Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has said 4 persons involved in destruction of a bridge at Mount KOUBRU and torching of Chowkidar's house have been arrested by police and that the bridge has been repaired. More culprits involved in the recent series of incidents took place at Mount KOUBRU would be nabbed soon, Chief Minister said in a Facebook post. India today reported 2,73,810 new COVID-19 cases and 1,619 deaths in the last 24 hours. According to the data from the Union Health Ministry, the total cases in the country now stands at 1,50,61,919. There are 19,29,329 active cases in the country at present, while 1,29,53,821 people have recovered from the disease. The death toll is at 1,78,769. As many as 12,38,52,566 people have been vaccinated so far. Meanwhile, with shortage in supply being flagged across the country, Delhi yesterday joined a growing list of states that are scrambling to ensure adequate availability of oxygen for COVID patients as the country continues to witness a rise in coronavirus cases. Manipur's COVID-19 total infection tally now has increased to 29,721 with 72 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kakching, Churachandpur, Chandel and None districts. The new infections were confirmed at Janims, RIMS, Iboyaima, Babina Diagnostics, RD Wing, Imphal Hospital, Hillside, Swiss, Thoubal RAT, Raj Medicity, Bishnupur, Churachandpur, Chandel RAT and Caesar Hospital. A 58-year-old male patient from Imphal West died at RIMS in the last 24 hours, taking the total death toll to 376, said the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 255, while 29,090 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 97.87%. Living Arts Academy Manipuri Thang Ta LAAMAN celebrated its 38th Foundation Day yesterday at Nainasang Community Hall in Sagolban Tera, Lokrakpam Laikai. Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sana Jauba, Nainasang Club President Seram Mohendra, RK Fortunes Developers Proprietor RK Rameshwar, EZCC Dimapur Member Makhon Mani Mangsatabam and former Principal of Government Dance College Ranjit Adhikari Mayum attended the event. Phura Kaithel Development Committee Thoubal Athokpam yesterday felicitated Chinkainganba Athokpam, who bagged the title of Junior Master at 11-man Junior Mr. India 2021. The event was held at Phura Kaithel Community Hall, Thoubal Athokpam. Chinkainganba won the title in the 70 kg category event organized by Indian Bodybuilders Federation (IBBF) in Ludhiana, Punjab on March 20 and 21. Amid the crippling shortage of life-saving medical oxygen in many COVID-hit parts of the country, Union Minister Piyush Goyal has advised states to keep the demand under control by containing the rapid second coronavirus wave that has triggered an unprecedented spurt in cases. Union Minister Piyush Goyal has said state governments should keep their oxygen demand under control amid a growing crisis across states as COVID-19 cases continue to peak. Goyal has said that containing COVID-19 spread is the responsibility of state governments and they should fulfill this responsibility.